Neeraj, a man in his early 30s, faced a tough journey after a traumatic injury to his right leg. He initially had a simple fracture, and after an internal fixation, tried to manage the injury on his own. Unfortunately, the injury became infected. After being referred to us for a second surgery, he was supposed to undergo a simple Ilizarov procedure. However, for various reasons, he chose to go elsewhere for treatment. Despite undergoing numerous orthopedic and plastic surgeries, the infection persisted. In total, Neeraj had 13 surgeries before we saw him again. By the time he came to us, his situation was very complex. His leg and foot were severely deformed, the ankle joint was nearly destroyed, and the infection had not cleared up. There was also significant bone loss, leaving his leg weak and fragile. We decided to treat him in 2 stages with an interval of 2 months. After 13 months of intense treatment, Neeraj had successfully regenerated about 6 inches of bone. He was able to walk unassisted, and although his ankle joint was beyond repair, we were able to perform an ankle fusion that allowed him to live much more comfortably. Neeraj's recovery was incredibly challenging, but after a long and painful journey, he was finally able to return to his normal life, and the strength and determination he showed throughout the process was truly inspiring.